Let's go through the ingredients for this recipe. Here I have some lemons, asparagus, then I have sea salt and olive oil, and finally sesame seeds. Let's take 375 grams of asparagus. It is a vegetable and a member of the lily family. It is rich in vitamins A, C and K, is an excellent prebiotic, is rich in folate and is a good antioxidant and is anti-inflammatory. Let's cut the thick ends of the asparagus. Roast it for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Add a tablespoon of sesame seeds at the same time and let them roast. "100 grams of asparagus contains almost 29 kilocalories. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add sea salt to taste. Mix it well. Cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes on high heat until it turns soft. Cut and squeeze a lemon. Drizzle the leftover dressing. This is completely optional. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.